Yeah.
This is Louis Comfort's Tiffany's personal alarm clock. Wow. My husband found this, and it was in a safety deposit box by a former person for 25 years. Wow. He saw it, I want it, so we got it.
Fantastic. You guys know, because you come from the world I come from, what she's talking about is provenance. So the value is the provenance. So if she says, Tiffany's personal alarm clock, so right there, if you collect, it's what we call a cross collectible. So if you collect Tiffany and you also collect memorabilia by the founder of Tiffany, you're going to pay double what you would pay.